Alright guys, here's my RC truck, Trex T-Max 3.3. I got the 2.5 motor right there, working on it. I got my tires, my receiver, which I'm probably going to buy a new one soon. And this is my box with all my parts. That box, it's got my other exhaust. Cold plug wrench tool, and that's my easy start charger. Some gas lines, airflow lines, stuff like that. Up here, got all my good parts that I need. Yeah, it's my RC truck. Hopefully it'll be running soon. If not, then I'll post something else. Playing games with my sisters or something. My steering trim, my throttle trim. That's to transfer it from reverse to backward and stuff like that. My steering, throttle. This is my shifter. 3 channels that it has. I can run a plane, a boat, and a truck with my remote that I have.